Hey guys, welcome to Study with Dipshika. Today we'll be looking into the second example of general method.
So guys, in this video we have the second sum which we'll be looking into with the same formula sheet as previous video. So in this they have already converted into D form, into phi of D form. So directly we'll put, so phi of D is equal to 0. Now this is the phi of D. So we'll write D square plus 3D plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the roots are D is equal to minus 1 comma D is equal to minus 2. Now these are the roots. Now we have to find out the roots, right? So now we'll find out YC. YC is equal to, as these roots are real and different, we have the first case applying. So C1 e raised to minus 1 x plus C2 e raised to minus 2 x. Now this is the first equation. So this is the first YP, and now we will find YP. Now YP is equal to 1 upon phi of D f of x. This is the formula for YP. So we'll put phi of D is equal to this part. This entire thing is phi of D. So 1 upon square plus 3 2 into f of x. The f of x is sine e raised to x. So sine e raised to x. So now we'll convert it into plus and minus, d plus and d minus. So 1 upon d plus 1 and d plus 2. We've converted. See, now you can see the roots is minus 1. If d is equal to minus 1, then it is d plus 1. And if the root is d equal to minus 2, then the roots are d plus 2 into sine e raised to x. Now we'll take the smallest term first inside and we'll keep the bigger term outside. So 1 upon d plus 2 is kept outside and 1 upon d plus 1 is taken inside, with f of x is sine e raised to x. Now we'll apply the formula. General method formula will be applied over here. 1 upon d plus 2 remains outside, and we take, as it is plus over here, e raised to minus mx. Minus is taken outside, and integration of e raised to mx, that is m is 1 over here. M is 1 over here. So mx into f of x, that is sine e raised to x dx. So 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x integration of, now e raised to x into sine e raised to x. Now we'll take this formula sheet. We can see over here we have a formula for sine. So sine f of x and derivative of f of x. Now we can see over here, we can compare. Now sine e raised to x is the f of x. So sine e raised to x into e raised to x. The derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this formula will be applied over here, and the answer to this formula is minus cos f of x. So we'll apply the formula. So e raised to x into sine x dx. The formula will be 1 upon d plus 2 e raised to minus x into minus cos f of x, that is, this is the f of x. So into f of x is e raised to, so we'll put e raised to x. Now we have completed the first part. Now we'll see to the second part. Now this is plus 2, so outside it will be minus. So e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x into, this entire term is f of x. So we'll write it as it is, e raised to minus x into, this minus we can take it outside. We have taken this minus just outside, and then cos e raised to x dx. Now as you all can see, when it is into and we have same term, we can add them. So after adding we get minus e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to x into cos e raised to x dx. Now again the same formula can be applied a different formula, similar one. So as a formula sheet you can see cos f of x into f dash of x is equal to sin f of x. Now this is the formula, we can apply it directly, is equal to minus e raised to minus 2x into sin f of x, that is e raised to x. So this is our yp. We found out yp. This is the second equation. Now from equation 1 and 2 we'll find y is equal to yc plus yp. Now y is equal to our yc is, this is our yc, so we'll write it as it is, c1 e raised to minus 1x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x plus this term. So this is minus, so we can directly write minus e raised to minus 2x into sin e raised to x. So this is the answer. So we have taken two sums. So on general method I have taken two sums. This is the second example. So please practice these sums. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. For the basic explanation and this explanation of this formula sheet, refer to our previous videos, and over there we have explained how these formulas work exactly. And in the coming up videos we'll be taking the variation parameter, the second method. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.